Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remove Mini Cooper dash trim. Begin by disconnecting the battery and removing trim screws from the glove box and lower panels. Use plastic pry tools to gently pop clips free while protecting paint. Keep track of each fastener and label panels as you remove them. Work methodically from one side to the other and pause to inspect any hidden screws or connectors before pulling panels fully free. Start by removing lower panels and any visible screws with a T20 Torx. Use plastic pry tools at panel edges to release clips without scratching surfaces. Work gradually and check behind trim for electrical connectors or clip retainers as you lift pieces away. Keep screws sorted by panel and photograph each stage for reassembly. If a section feels stuck, backtrack to find missed fasteners instead of forcing the trim and risking damage. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for post-workshop messes with voice control and smart mapping that handles crumbs and dust around seats and consoles. It saves time so you can focus on repairs instead of cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When vents or switch clusters are involved, gently pry them free and disconnect wiring harnesses while noting their orientation. Keep foam insulation and brackets with their original panels so fitment stays correct at reassembly. Reattach wiring, test electrical functions, and then fasten panels in reverse order using original clips and screws. Take your time aligning tabs to avoid misfit and ensure a clean factory appearance when everything is secured and tested.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.